Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3, the winter sun. SLOs of this lesson are: demonstrate use of pronouns as subject and object. Now look at the page number 31 of your textbook. We have a grammar section here of personal pronouns. What are the personal pronouns? We will first understand it, learn its concepts first. What are the pronouns here? Pronouns are those parts of speech which replaces the noun. Noun is a name of person, place and thing or idea here. Pronouns are words we use in the place of a noun. We have both subject and object pronouns called personal pronouns. Now look at the concept of subject and object pronouns here, which called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns in English can be used in the nominative and subjective case. As subject in the sentence, when utilized in this way, they are also called subject pronouns. We have some examples here like that show their function as the subject as well as the replaced noun. Look at here in green, Sana has got a new computer. Sana here is a noun. She is very happy with it. Here, she refers to the Sana. It's avoiding the repetition of a noun. Here the noun is Sana, and when we avoid the repetition of something or someone, we use pronoun here she, and she here is a subject. She is very happy with it. Here the it is object, and computer, it is for the computer here. It referring to the computer here. For Sana we have she, and for computer we have it here. So for both we have pronouns here for Sana and the computer, and here the she is the doer of the action and it is the object on which the action is done or the activity is done. Subject is the doer of the action who is doing the action, and object on which the action is done, on which the activity is ongoing. Look at the second example here. My friend's parents aren't at home. They are on holiday. Here the they are is pronoun here. Look at this one. The cat looks hungry. It hasn't eaten for days. Here the it is for cat here. So look at the some subject and object personal pronouns here. I, she, he, you, it, they, us. Object is me, her, him. Use is the same. Can be both subject or object. It depends on the situation. It can be both subject and the object. They and them, us and we. Always remember that subject come in the sentence, then verb and then object. Subject the doer of the action, verb the activity, and object on which the activity is done. But it can be sweep up when we use active and passive voice sentences. We can sweep up and add the by preposition. So here, just look at here. These both can be object and subject, but it depends upon the situation, upon the sentence, and these are called personal pronouns. And always remember that if the person is known to another person or thing is known to another person to whom you are talking to, then you can use the pronouns, because your listener already know about the noun or the thing you are talking about. So we can use personal pronouns or pronouns here. Look at the exercise here on page number 31. Choose the correct personal pronoun for each sentence to give it the meaning as the sentence before it. Look at the first one here. Kamal's mom asked to clean the garage. Kamal is a masculine noun here. So what we will do? His show the possession. यहां पर his show करता है कि उसका, यहां पर him शो करता है कि उससे या उसको. हर और ही, यहां पर ही भी नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. कमाल्स मॉम आस्क्ड ही इनएप्रोप्रिएट है बिल्कुल. हर तो फेमिनाइन नाउन के लिए इस्तेमाल होगा, लड़की के लिए. कमाल क्या है इधर, बॉय है, तो क्या होगा? कमाल्स मॉम आस्क्ड टू क्लीन द गैराज. हिम, उससे पूछा, उससे कहा कि गैराज साफ करो. तो यहां पर सही ऑप्शन होगा हिम. Look at the second one. A student should be in best behavior. There the student is a singular noun here. Always remember that for plural or singular we have some rules. If you are using plural here, अगर यहां पर students होता plural form में तो हम their use करते, क्योंकि their किसकी तरफ रेफर करता है? प्लूरल की तरफ. लेकिन यहां पर आ स्टूडेंट है, एक स्टूडेंट है, तो हमने क्या करना है? इट भी नहीं लगा सकते. इट इज फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स और फॉर एनिमल हियर. लाइक वी सॉ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कैट, वी यूज इट फॉर प्रोनाउन. सो व्हाट विल बी? अ स्टूडेंट शुड बी इन, यस, हिज बिहेवियर, इन हिज बेस्ट बिहेवियर. अपने बेस्ट बिहेवियर में होना चाहिए, अपने. It shows the possession, ownership and relationship of something. The behavior belong to a student here. We have discussed the possessive nouns and pronouns in our previous lesson. So you should know what it is. So the right option will be his here. Look at the third one. Neither Maria nor knew why the store was closed. Neither Maria nor her. If we choose her, it will be again about Maria. No. If we use us, then no need to add Maria here. तो हम मारिया क्यों चूज करते? अगर हमने अस पहले से ही कहना होता तो फिर अस कह देते कि हम मारिया को अलग लिखने की क्या जरूरत थी? नीदर मारिया नॉर मी, ये भी ग्रामेटिकली बिल्कुल इनकरेक्ट है. नीदर मारिया नॉर आई न्यू व्हाई द स्टोर वाज क्लोज. इधर आई सही ऑप्शन होगा कि ना तो मारिया को पता था और ना मुझे. This is grammatically correct here, the I here, because the person is mentioning Maria and herself here. So that's why we will put I here. Look at the fourth one. After school, you and must discuss a few things. Yes, again, there will be a I option correct. Look at the fifth one. Everyone at the table has eaten lunch earlier. Everyone here refer to the plural pronouns here. So what will be the right option here? Yes, I told you for plural we use their. Very good. Now look at the sixth one. My nephew was crying and needed diaper change. Nephew is a masculine noun here. So it is specifically talking about only nephew here. He was crying and needed a diaper change. उसका वो अपना diaper change. There is a possession again. So we will choose his here. My nephew was crying and needed his diaper change. Look at the seventh one. Jamil is my student, is very intelligent. Here it is a masculine noun and one singular person. So we will choose, yes, he is very intelligent. Look at the eighth one. Alice is my sister, lives abroad. Alice is a sister means here that she is feminine noun here, and she lives abroad. Yes, she lives abroad. I want you to do the rest of the sentences by yourself. Dear student, this is your homework from Summer Pack. This is also your homework from Summer Pack, and there is an activity. Read any article on sports. Find out the sentences having personal pronouns. Do not focus on the structure of the sentences, but on the given personal pronouns as subject and objects. Change them with different ones. Pronouns as subject and pronouns as object, the way I told you. This is your homework from textbook, page number 27. We have a page of unit number 3 here, the poem of About Winter, you have to identify all the personal, subject and object pronouns in this. You have to underline it. Let's see how many you can find. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.